America, United States of America, is the #1 market in the world. If this market fails, manufacturers are suddenly out. They're out. Sales in Australia and sales and in England and sales in Belize are not going to keep this industry alive. The United States accounts for over 70% of personal watercraft sales in the world. All right. We love you, Australia. We love you, New Zealand. We love you, Japan. We love you guys. You're not enough to keep this game going. If the United States collapses, so does the personal watercraft market. I've had this told to me from people within all 3 of the OEs. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.